Hello and good morning, dear children, and high five to all my dear and lovely students. So, today we are back again with the same topic, articles from the chapter 3rd Grammar Gear book, right? From Grammar Gear book, chapter 3rd articles, and today we are going to do the last part of the chapter, right? Now, before starting this definite article, let's have a small recap very quickly of what we did in the last two class. We have started with the chapter articles. Students, articles contains a and the. I will repeat once more. Articles contain a and the. Articles come under my determiners, right? Determiners which specify the noun, right? Specify, like it can be a demonstrative, demonstrative like this, that, this, those, possessive, my, his, your, her. Okay, so this comes under my demonstrative. My determiners. So articles also come under my determiners, and articles, that is a and the, are always placed before the noun. So whenever we are going to make a sentence, so we use a and the just before the noun, right? Now, when I'm talking about articles, children, it is divided into two groups. Okay, one group is indefinite, a and another is definite, that is the. We did yesterday what? Indefinite, that is a and. So a or an are my indefinite article. We use a when the sound starts with the consonant. We use an when the sound starts with the vowel, right? We have 26 alphabets in English. So out of 21 is consonant and 5 are vowel, a, e, I, o, u. Right? Now a or an we use when we talk about non-specific, general, common. Right? We use with a singular or countable noun. Correct? Now for example, if I say, okay, I have a marker. So it is a countable and singular noun. Okay, I enjoyed a breakfast with an egg. So an egg is my e is my vowel sound, right? So a and an are my indefinite article that is placed before the noun, and today we are going to be the definite article. Okay, now start with the class. What is definite article? The is known as the definite article, first thing. So my the comes under my definite article. Definite article means it is used to point out specific personal thing, particular, unique thing. When we talk about unique, particular, specifying thing, we will use the. Right? For example, the Taj Mahal, the moon, the sun. We are talking about a particular unique thing. Right? Right? The Brahmaputra river, the Ganga river, the Yamuna river. So when I'm talking about these things, and when I'm telling this, it means it is having a particular unique specifying thing. I'm specifying thing. Like if I say the students of HGI. So what I'm doing, I'm specifying the particular students of HGI. For example, suppose there's some competition going on where some other schools have taken part. BS, St. Paul, St. John's, and HG. So what we'll say, when we announce the winner, when we announce it's time to announce something, the winner or the part, we say the HGI students. So here but we are specifying the particular thing, right? So the is known as a definite article. It is used to point out or specify out to a specific person or thing that is unique. It is used before a noun to define something specific. The is used with the singular or with the plural noun. So we can use the with the singular or with the plural noun. Here we have example. Let's check the example first. He is the chief minister of tomorrow. Chief minister, that is a singular, right? The specifying particular person. The girls are working hard for the girls. We are plural, right? So here you can see the plural. So here what happened? I used the just before the noun. The police officer is very strict. Over here again you can see where I placed I placed just before the noun, right? I specified it. So this is my definite article that the is used, correct? And when I'm talking about the, right? When I'm talking about the, so we have we use the when we are talking about the uh, when we are talking about specific or particular defining, we are defining something, right? So the first thing we use before the superlative. Superlative means degree of comparison. See, we have in the degree of comparison, we have three column: positive, no comparison; comparative, where comparing only two nouns; and superlative, comparing with more than two nouns. Like he is the best boy in the class. So when I'm talking, when I'm comparing with the so many things, so best is my superlative. It is the largest building. Okay, tallest building. So this is what my what you say is my superlative. So when I'm talking about superlative, the third column of the comparison, then I can use the. Correct? We use the. Okay, when we are talking about the when I was talking about the well-known position or ranks, like he is the Prime Minister of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the Iron Man of India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was the father of the nation. So they hold a particular position rank, right? He is the principal of the school. He is the class teacher. He is the class teacher of 8B. So when that is the use. Okay, we use the when we're talking about the river, ocean, or okay, when I'm talking about river, ocean, or sea, like if I'm saying about the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, so then we can use the. The is used when we are talking about the universities or famous buildings or the newspaper proper name is that. Okay, the telegraph, the statement. So here we use the, right? When we're talking about the holy book, okay, the Gita, the Bhagavad Gita, Quran. Okay, so these where we use the right? And so here we use the right? So if I tell you, so here we have some more examples of the definite article. So what we can see, he is the monitor of the class, okay, of my class. So the monitor particular. Virat Kohli is the captain of Indian cricket team. The sun rises in the east. The Big Ben clock tower is in London. The man in the yellow shirt is my neighbor. So wherever I use the, you can see here in this sentence, it's my definite article first of all. And definite article means when I'm specifying the particular person or thing or unique thing, right? This where the is my comes, right? And so I hope that you've understood. I've given the notes in the PDF form, in the notes, in the what you call in the document section. Do copy it. Also, there's a PPT also related with this. You can have a go through it. I hope that we have understood this chapter. So before I just wind up, just one more thing, children. Articles are my a and the, a and indefinite, that is common, general. Okay, and that is my definite, that is specifying a thing. So these three, a, and the, are always placed before the noun, right? A stands with the consonant sound, and comes with the vowel sound, and the comes with a unique specific thing, right? So I hope that you have understood the chapter. And tomorrow, next class, I will see you again. Till then, have a nice day, and thank you. God bless you, and stay home, stay safe.